Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito without using soda. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint, lime, sugar, and white rum. Begin by placing about 10 mint leaves and 2 lime wedges into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle these together to release their oils and juice. Then, add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar to the muddled mixture. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the rum. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum directly over the muddled mint, lime, and sugar. After adding the rum, fill your glass completely with crushed ice. This helps chill the drink quickly and dilutes it perfectly. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined. Now for the soda-free part. Instead of soda, top your drink with 3 to 4 ounces of plain, cold water. This creates a lighter, crisper mojito. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your glass with a fresh lime wheel and a vibrant sprig of mint. Before serving, take a quick taste and adjust the sweetness or tartness to your personal preference. Your refreshing, soda-free mojito is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately and savor the clean, crisp flavors of mint and lime. This version offers a less sweet and more natural taste compared to traditional mojitos. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a classic cocktail. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.